Salutations, Future Twig. Past Twig here once again, and we're back with another miniature machination for everybody. Today we're actually looking at the last of the robot miniatures for the robot Warband, which is Tinfoil, the 10th and final miniature of the group. Getting right into it, here is Tinfoil. Let me get the video rolling here. I picture that he was actually created by perhaps a somewhat paranoid or rogue scientist who was worried about some sort of calamity, perhaps robot revolution or something like that. And as such, he was kind of designed as this like scientist, kind of crazy personal project slash bodyguard. So this is Tinfoil. And anyways, I love this guy so much. He actually was the one I wanted to build because I wanted to experiment with using capacitors as legs, which as you can see, it kind of has these little capacitors down there as hover legs. I used a very big capacitor on his back along with a bit off an old toy to kind of make this huge power pack, which of course has little wires going to his one arm on the side and his massive drills slash laser gun that he has equipped there. And I just used other bits and pieces to kind of form it together. In fact, his body is almost entirely capacitors, except for there's like one bit of, I think, a razor handle, which I used as the kind of ridged portion for his arm and then also his body. And then, yeah, I just took a bunch of offcuts I had from other miniatures that I used during this warband to actually build him up. And then I also used a fake nail and a little button there, as you can see, for his face, the face in the mask. And then, yeah, other than that, gave him the standard paint job on Martian soil. And that is all I actually have for you today. That is Tinfoil. And with that, we're basically done with the robot warband. So thank you all for tuning in to the Miniature Machinations this weekend. Take care.